So we continue with the direct and inverse variations. Exercise 9.1, we are on sum number 7. If the thickness of a pile of 12 cardboard sheets is 45 mm, then how many sheets in the same cardboard would be 90 centimeters thick? So you can see that 12 cardboards is 45 mm. So you can see that thickness of 12 cardboards is equals to 45 mm. Therefore, thickness of X cardboards is equals to 90 centimeter. Now this is something very unique. This is in mm, whereas this is in centimeters. So we have to see to it that whenever you are taking any variation, the variations ke andar always the units has to be the same. So this means that this is equals to 900 mm. So we are converting this centimeter into mm. So now we can have over here that this is the number of cardboards. So we can say cardboards and then the thickness. So cardboards over here are 12. So this is 45. So it is X. So it is 900. We know that this is direct variation. You can also say it is direct variation. So it is 12 into 900 is equals to 45 into X. So X is equals to 12 into 900 upon 45. That is 20 is equals to 240 cardboards. Okay. So 240 cardboards will have thickness of 90 centimeters. Okay, this was sum number 7. Okay, sum number 7, and now we move on to sum number 8. In a model of a ship, the mast, that is flagstaff, is 6 centimeters high. So ना शिप होता है, तो ये अगर एक शिप बनाया है तो शिप के मॉडल के ऊपर ये flagstaff. This is the flagstaff. This is the flagstaff. Okay, this is what they mean about the flagstaff. So they are given that the mast, that is the flagstaff, is 6 centimeters high, while the mast in the actual ship is 9 meters high. So we have got over here sum number 8. We can say over here directly because इसके अंदर ठीक है, we will directly write over here that 6 centimeters of model height is equals to 9 meters actual. Therefore, length of the ship is 33 meters. So X centimeters of length of model is equals to 33 meters actual. So we have over here model and actual. Model is 6 centimeters and actual is 9 meters. The model is X centimeters. This is 33 meters. Here we can say this is centimeters, but this is also centimeters. This is meters of here. So only thing is that I don't need to convert here because whatever is the model के the centimeter में तो मुझे answer भी centimeter में ही मिलेगा. Okay? Whatever is the units over here, the same unit I am going to get over here. In this case, we had got this in mm and this is in centimeters. That's why we converted into mm because both these should be the same. Here these two are same and these two are same. So not a problem. Only thing is that X ka value what you will be getting will be in centimeters and not in meters. So again, it is direct variation. Therefore, 6 into 33 is equals to 9 into X. So X is equals to 6 into 33 upon 9. 9, 11 and 2, that is 22 centimeters. So therefore you can say that length of, what is that? Ship. Length of ship in model is 22 centimeters. Okay, so the length of the model of the ship, or it will be better to write over there, length of model of ship, length of model of ship is 22 centimeters. Whatever is the question written over here, you write it as the answer form. Okay. Okay, so that was sum number 8. We now move on to sum number 9. Sum number 9. The mass of an aluminium rod varies directly. The mass of an aluminium rod varies directly with its length. Okay, so that means if the length increases, mass also increases. The length decreases, mass also decreases. If 16 centimeter long rod has a mass of 192 grams, find the length of the rod whose mass is 105 grams. So again, the same way, that mass of 16 centimeter rod is equals to 192 grams. Therefore, mass of x centimeter rod is equals to 105 grams. So it is over here mass and length. Mass 192, length is 16, mass is 105, length is x. Okay, you can see those are grams, these both are grams, these both are centimeters. So not a problem. Answer what you are going to get will be in centimeters. So it is direct variation. Therefore 192 into x is equals to 16 into 105. X is equals to 192, x is equals to 16 into 105 upon 192. Okay, 16 ones are 16 and then 32 12s are, so then 3 4s are and 3 3s are 9 and 15 35. So that will be 35 upon 4. 35 upon 4 is nothing but 8.32. 30 will be 7 and 20 will be 5. So 8.75 centimeters. So therefore length of 8.75 centimeters. Therefore mass, the question was length of the rod whose mass is 105. So 8.75 centimeter rod weighs 105 grams. Okay, so the final answer 8.75 centimeters car rod weighs equal to 105 grams. Clear? So this was sum number 9. We now move on to sum number 10. Okay, let's see sum number 10. Anita has to drive from village A to village B. She measured the distance of 3.7 centimeters between these villages on the map. What is the actual distance between the villages if the map scale is 1 centimeter equal to 20 kilometers? So let's understand it's what exactly they mean to say. Now we normally see a map. Okay, हम लोग जब भी map देखते हैं तो we can see that okay, from A to B if you want to go, then it is going to be if you take a scale and you measure the distance between the two, you come to know that okay, it is 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 8 centimeters. Then what you need to do is that if you see the map, if it is a proper map, you will always find that at the bottom of the map or at the top of the map, there will be something which is written as scale. What do you mean by scale? Scale means that map के ऊपर का 1 centimeter is equals to how many kilometers on the actual thing. So if it is given that 1 centimeter is equals to 20 kilometers, that means if I am measuring 1 centimeter on the map, then it means actually that is 20 kilometers on the actual road. So again, same thing, we are going to use the variation that we know that 1 centimeter on map is equals to 20 kilometers actual. Therefore, 3.5 centimeters on map is equals to x kilometers actual. So we have got over here map and actual. Map is 1 centimeter, it is 20 kilometers, 3.5 centimeters x. It is direct variation. Because if the distance on the map increases, the distance actual also increases. So that gives us as 1 into x is equals to 3.5 into 20. Therefore, x is equals to 70 kilometers. Okay. So therefore, actual distance between A and B is equals to 70 kilometers. That's sum number 10. Sonita will have to travel 70 kilometers if she is finding that the distance is 3.5 centimeters on the map. Next we have is sum number 11. That's sum number 11. A 23 meter 75 centimeter high water tank casts a shadow 20 meter long. Find the same time at the same time the length of the shadow casted by a tree 9 meter 50 centimeter high, and the height of the tree if the length of the shadow is 12 meters. So there are two sums in the same one. So what is one given to you is that 23 meters and 75 centimeters cast a shadow of 20 meters. So it is given that tank of 23 meters 75 centimeters cast shadow of 20 meters. Therefore, tree of 9 meters 50 centimeters cast shadow of x meters. So again it will be object and shadow. Object if it is 23 meters 75 centimeters is nothing but 23.5 meters, 23.75 meters. This is 20. This is 9.50 meters and this is x. It is direct variation. So it will be 23.75 into x is equals to 20 into 9.50. So it eliminate the decimals. So it will be 20 into 950 upon 100 into, now this goes down, so it will be 100 upon 2375. The 100 gets cancelled. Okay. Now this I can see if I get divided by 5, so it is 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35, and 5. This is, I'll take it as 5 4s are. This again can be divided by 5, 5 9s are 45 and 5 95, and this is 5, it is 19s are 190. This is twice, so this will be equal to 8 meters. Okay, so shadow of tree is of 8 meters. That's the first answer. That was first part. We now move on to the second part of the question. So let's see the second part. Now it's a tree of 12 meters which has got a shadow of 12 meters. Okay, so again the same thing. Tank of 23 meters 75 centimeters cast shadow of 20 meters. Therefore tree of x meters cast shadow of 12 meters. So again it's the same thing, object and shadow. Object is 3 meters 75 or 23.75, we'll directly write it as, and this is 20, this is x, this is 12, it is direct variation. So it's 23.75 into 12 is equals to x into 20. So x is equals to 2375 upon 100 into 12 into 1 upon 20. 20 comes here. So this is 10 and this will be 6. We'll keep it as it is. 6 5s are 30, 42, 45, 18, 22, 12, 14 upon 1, 2, 3 over here. So it is equals to 14.25 meters. Therefore, height of tree is 14 meters 25 centimeters. Okay, that was the height of the tree as 14 meters and 25 centimeters. 14 meters and 25 centimeters will be the height of the tree over here. Okay, so that was sum number 11. We now move on to sum number 12. Pay attention for the sum number 12. It gives you, if 5 men or 7 women can earn rupees 525 per day, how much would 10 men and 13 women will earn per day? So here it is given that if 5 men are working together, they are going to earn 525 rupees. Or if 7 females, that is 7 women are going to earn together or work together, they are going to earn 525 rupees. So in this case, we are not going to have a direct thing over here, but what we'll do is that first of all we say that agar 5 men can earn 525, then 10 men can earn how much? Similarly, if 7 women can earn 525, then 13 women can earn how much? And then we'll add the 2. Okay, so it's 2 things in one in the same sum. Okay, so pay attention properly. You can also do it this way, that if 5 men can earn 525, then 1 man will earn how much? And then if 1 man is earning this much, then 10 men will how much? वो थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा. But that is also one of the possibility of doing this sum. Okay, but we'll take it simple way. So we have got the sum number 12. We say that 5 men earn rupees 525. Therefore 10 men, because they are given us that how many men are there? 10 men are there. So 10 men earn rupees X. So we have over here men and earnings. 5 men 525, 10 men x. So it is direct variation. So 5 into x is equals to 525 into 10. So x is equals to 525 into 10 upon 5. So that will be 105. That will be rupees 1050. So 10 men is going to earn 1050. So 10 men earn rupees 1050. Now let's take about the women. So 7 women earn rupees 525. So 13, okay, there are 13 women. Yes, 13 women earns rupees y. So again the same way, women earnings. 7 is 525. So 13 will be y. So again it is direct variation. So we have over here 7 into y is equals to 13 into 525. So y is equals to 13 into 525 upon 7. So 7 is the 49 and 35. So 5, 75. So that will give you as 75 into 13. 15, 21, 22, 0, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9. So it is equal to 975 rupees. Therefore, 13 women earn rupees 975. Therefore, total earnings of 10 men and 13 women is equals to 1050 plus 975 is equals to rupees 2025. Is it clear? So we can see over here that the total earnings of 10 men and 13 women is going to be 2025. Okay, addition of 1050 plus 975, that will be 2025. So that was the sum number 12, and this comes to the end of the exercise number 9.1. Okay, I'll stop the video here and continue with the next part, in which we'll be doing the exercise 9.2 on inverse variation. Okay, as I told you, your homework will be examples 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 example sums before the exercise 9.1 are your homework for these 2 videos. Okay, right? Thank you.